Hi everyone, in this video I'll show you how to use TWS Translation Earbuds. Let's get started. First, make sure your earbuds are fully charged. Place them inside the charging case, connect the USB cable, and let them charge until the light indicator shows they're ready. Once charged, take the earbuds out of the case. They will automatically power on and enter pairing mode. Now, open your phone's Bluetooth settings, find your TWS Translation Earbuds on the list, and tap to connect. Next, download the Wooask translation app that works with your earbuds. You can find it on the App Store or Google Play by searching for Wooask. This app is what allows the earbuds to translate conversations in real time. Open the app and connect your earbuds. The app will detect them automatically once Bluetooth is on. Follow the on-screen instructions to complete the setup. Now you're ready to translate. Simply select your language and the other person's language inside the app. Speak naturally into the earbuds, and the translation will play instantly so the other person can understand you. This is perfect for travel, business meetings, or learning a new language. And there you have it. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Thanks for watching.